Hello, White Panther teachers and support staff. We are going to spin our wheel of fortune here to determine who gets what gift card. We have Saboya's, Panera, Salsa Grill, Don Halls, and B-Dubs for our 5 gift cards. And thank you so much for those of you who submitted money and contributed toward our cheer fund. So up first is going to be a gift card for Saboya's. It's $10 for each of the gift cards. So thank you again for those of you who helped to give us money. And Anastasia wins the Saboya's gift card. Congratulations, Anastasia. Of course, if I spin your name twice, we'll just spin it again. This next gift card is for Buffalo Wild Wings, another $10 gift card. And this one is going to Greg. Thank you, Greg, for your contribution. And up next we have Halls. This could be used at any of the Halls restaurants, not just the one down Southwest. And Jessica Clipper is our winner for that gift card. Our next gift card is for Salsa Grill. That is my personal favorite. And this one is going to go to... Oh, Greg got it twice, so I'm going to spin it again because, of course, we don't want to. I'll hit remove. So we'll try again for the Salsa Grill gift card. And then our last one will be for Panera. And Stephanie won this one. Thank you. And our final one is for Panera, and this one is going to go to Julie. She is always a lucky lady, that Julie. Thank you again from the cheer committee for your contributions to our fund. We look forward to having some extra fun things involved this year, and have a great weekend.